Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to Teaching Mumma, do it to watch fun videos every day. Let's get started. My pet dog, Bruno. I have a pet dog. He is brown and white. Again, I have a pet dog. He is brown and white. Your turn. Very good. His name is Bruno. His tail is small. Again. His name is Bruno. His tail is small. Your turn. Very good. He runs fast and wags his tail. Again. He runs fast and wags his tail. Your turn. Very good. I feed him every day. Again. I feed him every day. Your turn. Very good. I take him for a walk every day. Again. I take him for a walk every day. Your turn. Very good. Bruno is my best friend. Again. Bruno is my best friend. Your turn. Very good. You did amazing today. You read sentences on your own. Very good. Do subscribe if you haven't. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mumma in the next video? I am excited too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.